Ever felt like you're drowning in sticky notes and spreadsheets? You juggle tasks, chase leads, and try to remember every customer interaction. All while that nagging feeling grows, you're losing control. This might be the sign you need a CRM or customer relationship management tool. But what if you already use Asana for project management? Can it be your CRM too? Let's untangle the web of project management and customer relations. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Asana, CRM tools, and how they can work together or not to keep your business afloat. Project management powerhouse. What Asana does best. Asana shines in the project management realm. It's a master of organization, letting you create tasks, assign them to teammates, track deadlines, and collaborate seamlessly. Imagine a central hub where everyone sees the project roadmap, files, and discussions. You can break down complex projects into manageable chunks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Asana keeps everyone on the same page, a godsend for remote teams or those juggling multiple projects. But what about customers? Asana can handle basic customer interactions within projects. You can create tasks for following up with leads, managing support requests, or keeping track of customer feedback. The CRM advantage. Why it matters. However, a dedicated CRM goes far beyond basic interactions. It's like a supercharged Rolodex on steroids. Here's why having a CRM in your arsenal is crucial. Customer lifecycle management. A CRM tracks your entire customer journey, from initial contact to post-sale support. You can see every interaction a customer has had with your company, painting a clear picture of their needs and preferences. Sales pipeline management. Imagine a visual map of your sales process, where leads move through different stages like qualification and negotiation. A CRM lets you monitor your pipeline, identify bottlenecks, and close more deals. Powerful integrations. CRMs connect with your email, marketing tools, and even accounting software. This creates a unified system, eliminating data silos and streamlining communication. Can Asana be your CRM? A case-by-case look. So, can Asana replace a CRM? The answer, like most things in business, is it depends. For small businesses with a limited customer base and uncomplicated sales processes, Asana might suffice. You can create projects for different customer segments, track interactions through tasks, and use comments for communication. However, as your business grows, the limitations of Asana as a CRM become apparent. Here's when a dedicated CRM becomes your best friend. Large customer base. Managing hundreds or even thousands of customers in Asana quickly becomes chaotic. A CRM provides robust contact management features, with detailed profiles and insightful data analysis. Complex sales pipeline. If your sales process involves multiple stages and handoffs, Asana's task-based approach might not cut it. A CRM offers pipeline visualization tools, forecasting capabilities, and automation to streamline complex sales journeys. Advanced reporting. Want to understand your customer acquisition cost or analyze sales trends? A CRM provides in-depth reporting and analytics, giving you valuable insights to make data-driven decisions. The best of both worlds. Making Asana and CRM work together. The good news is, Asana and CRMs can be a powerful duo. Here's how to leverage their strengths. Use Asana for project management within CRM deals. Integrate your CRM with Asana. This allows you to create Asana tasks within specific CRM deals, ensuring project-related customer interactions are tracked seamlessly. Track customer-facing tasks in Asana. Need to collaborate with your team on a customer presentation or proposal? Use Asana for these internal tasks, while keeping the main customer communication within the CRM. Maintain a single source of truth. Asana can be a great repository for customer-related documents and files. Ensure these are linked or referenced within the CRM to maintain a centralized record. Asana is a fantastic project management tool, but its CRM capabilities have limitations. For businesses with growing customer bases and complex sales processes, a dedicated CRM is the way to go. However, the two can be a winning team when used strategically. Ultimately, the best solution depends on your specific needs. So, Evaluate your customer interactions, sales pipeline, and team size to find the CRM approach that keeps your relationships flourishing and your to-do list under control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,